Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukanrat ki Sangma Hagasngi balang ulaong bagajingetri lang jong ki Nongïalam jong ki Saiñpyrthei bapher hagajala Hakabede bat kahok bagi riulum ki dei banyo bat halor kamat sernot SD kanwalam ya kubor kababha nak Bynta kinong shnong kajala Habagren shikilat bathai kubor Menteri Rangba ulaong bagi Nongïalam nak Trinamool Congress ringkat bagi MDC Shimet HGHEDC Kilabu Shadien ya Jingsngew Politik nak Bynta banyatri lang kaway nak Bynta ki Jingsngew jong ki riulum harilum Garo ulaong bakati ka sian jam ka kadaw ka Jingshlor bat ka badai banyaro ka brashim nak Bynta ka Jingbha ka bakham kraw jong ki Paidbah Habagren halor ki District Council ukanrat ula banjur baki Autonomous District Council ki de ban trekam light dot bat ki de ban shim ki rai jong ladi dak baong baka sarkar jalaru kan yene banyatri lang bat ki Nongïalam jong ki District Council bat kani beteng banyakran lang ban rai ya ki linti ki badai nang ni shakmat Habagren halor ka jingikan at harilum Garo ukanrat ulaong bakaan kan shim ya laka kamram bat ka jing toket ki pulit kadang ya shakmat dak ba pensyong nang rim kat kum ki sakhi satar babyang ulaong ba umdan bentalang ban toket hendai ki bor badai pet kumu SP DIG bat IG kila ban ai ka jing pensyai ka bakham banya halor kani ukanrat ula pentip ru ba Nongïalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula penpau ka Jingsngew kya halor kani ka Jingbha badang shan harilum Garo na ka jingsha penjat ki yeng ki sam bat ki jingtei hati ka than dak ba kubur ka Jingbha jong ka jinglong jingman Menteri Rangba Kajala ulaong bakala bandan kam ya ka jing toket ka babanya ban pentikna ya ki Jingbha bat ban ithu ki badan kti ula benra ba ya ka rai halor ka jinglong jong ka jing toket an sa shim ha ka por ka babyang
In time, I should say, very happy to see that keeping the political differences and political positions aside, the TMC and the MDCs of the TNC and the leadership of TMC and some of the independent MDCs, they came together for the rights of the people and for the concerns of the people, especially the tribal community in Garo Hills. Especially in Garo Hills. Therefore, this is a very, very positive and a very strong message to the people of Garo Hills that when it comes to the people, that different political parties and leaders go beyond party lines and look at what is good for the people and the state as a whole. And I think this is a shining example of that. And therefore, I give my sense of appreciation to the MDCs of the TMC and the independent MDCs, as well as the leadership for taking this very, very correct and bold and very strong stand to support this particular bill and be part of this. Right now, the platform on which we have come together has been on the issue of the tribals' rights and the ST certificate issue. And therefore, it is limited to that. Obviously, it's a step that we welcome because, as I said, we have come beyond our political and our party stands and stand united when it comes to the cause of the people. And I think it's a very positive message for the people of our state. Beyond that is something that is not possible for me to comment right now. But we will see how things are. It's been very clear that the law has to take its course. In that process, the police will always move on evidence and move as per the law. I am not in a position to really comment on that particular aspect. It is purely a police work, and it's not that I sit with them and go through the files and the investigation. It's a completely independent process. And so the concerned SP or the concerned DIG or the IG will be in a better position. You can always ask them about it.